home. I hope you all are watching my videos and following them. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 2, Numbers from 1 to 9. So my dear children, the first subtopic is as many as. Here we will compare right hand side with left hand side. As you can see, the first one is done for you. Here my dear children, 5 cats are on left hand side and 5 rats are on right hand side. So you can see that the number of cats are equal to the number of rats. Similarly, coming down to the next one, what you can see here? 3 rabbits are on left hand side and 3 carrots are on right hand side. So 3 rabbits are equal to 3 carrots. What you have to do here? You have to match rabbits with carrot as done in first one. So coming down to the third one, 4 shirts are there and 4 trousers are there. The number of shirts equals to number of trousers. 4 equals to 4. Then again coming down, 5 erasers are given and 5 pencils are there. 5 erasers are on left hand side and on right hand side 5 pencils are given. So the number of erasers are equal to the number of pencils. Then last one, 4 shoes are there and 4 socks are there. Okay. So number of shoes equals to number of socks. Now in this exercise as done in the first picture, you have to join by drawing a line. Clear? Now coming to the next page, here one counting poem is given. So my dear children, let us recite the counting poem.
1, 1, 1, one little baby eating a bun. 2, 2, 2, 2 little children go to the zoo. 3, 3, 3, 3 green parrots flying free. 4, 4, 4, 4 hungry pups want to eat more. 5, 5, 5, 5 honeybees are going to the hive. 6, 6, 6, 6 tinny nails Sony has to fix. 7, 7, 7, 7 little dwarfs are going to heaven. 8, 8, 8, 8 fat rats chase a cat. 9, 9, 9, 9 red ants walk in a line.
I hope my dear students, you enjoyed the counting poem with me. Now my dear children, the next subtopic is more or less. More means zyada and less means come. So in the first picture, you have to take the picture which is more. First example is done for you. Here on the left hand side, how many boys are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many chairs are there on right hand side? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chairs are there on the right hand side. So my dear children, which one is more? Which one number is more? Yes, 5 is more than 4. So here it is done for you, the tick one. Now coming to the next one. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many butterflies are there? Yes, there are 3 butterflies. So you have to take the more. Then coming down to the next one. Here you have to take the less. You have to tick on the number which is less. So you can see how many locks are there? 3 locks are given. And how many keys are there on the right hand side? Yes, 4 keys are there on the right hand side. So which one is less? कौन सा कम है? Yes, the locks are less than keys. Similarly, in the next image, you can see 4 kites are there and 2 kite threads are there. So you have to take the less one. I hope now the topic more or less is clear to you. Now coming to the next topic, we have to count and match here. The first one is done for you. Here some of the things are given on the left hand side, and what we have to do? We have to count them and match them with the balls given on the other side. Yes. So first 2 jars are there. How many jars are there? Yes, 2 jars are there. And you have to match them with how many balls? Yes, with 2 balls. Similarly, coming down, you have to do the other one also. Okay. Here 4 cones are given. So you have to match the 4 cones with 4 balls. Yes. Now 6 hammers are there. You have to match them with 6 balls. Then coming down, how many bags are there? 3 bags are there. You have to match 3 bags with 3 balls. Then last, 7 apples are there. You have to match them with 7 balls. Yes. Now here you have to count and match again as you have done earlier. Some things are given on the left hand side and you have to count them and match them with the balls given on the other side. I hope you all will do this exercise on your own. Now, my dear children, let us know more about numbers. Here, we will learn number names. Now, in the picture, you can see all the objects and human beings given here are 1 in number. You can see 1 lady is there, 1 boy, a dog, a pot, a lantern and a bed. They all are 1 in number. O-N-E 1. Now coming down, what you have to do here? You have to write 1 in the blanks. You have to fill it. After then TWO2. Here you can see the objects, the human beings, the animals are 2 in number. Coming down, the same thing you have to do. You have to fill it and you have to write here 2. Then THREE3. Here also the animals, the fruit and the object are 3 in number. So here in the fill in the blanks you have to fill 3. Then FOUR. Here you can see objects are 4 in number. Same you have to fill 4 in the fill ups. Then FIVE. Here also you can see How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So down you have to fill 5.
So, before ending today's topic, let us do a quick revision of number names. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5.
So my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and learned a lot about numbers from 1 to 5. Kindly do your work in a neat and clean handwriting in your fair notebook. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.